talking to someone new. I wish I knew. I shouldn't worry 'cause it's probably his mother. Or then again it could even be his little brother on the line, making me lose my mind. How can I tell him I'm sorry? When I said I didn't care, I didn't mean a word I said, talking out of my head. I've got to reach him now and tell him that I love him, and from now on I'll stay right by his side and love him all the time. So please somebody quit tying up the line.